Now we will talk about computer vision and try to understand the concept behind computer vision. So computer vision is a phenomenon by which we want the computer to understand what is an image and what is happening in that image. Okay, so we want the computer to give a vision, as a vision is there for a human body, like a human being is able to recognize what is there in front of it. We want the computer also to recognize what is there instead of just capturing that image like a mirror. So computer vision is an extension of human vision. Computer vision tries to mimic how human perceive the world through vision. Human vision consists of eyes, which can act as a kind of sensor to see the images and videos, and there is a brain which actually understand what image this person has seen. Similarly, computer vision also has these two parts where eyes are basically replaced by cameras, input images, and different way by which we can perceive an information in an image format. And second, we have a neural network which will identify what is that image. It will try to identify the patterns and trends in that image and identify the objects in the image. So here we have mimicked the way in which human vision is there. In the same way, computer is also giving us the same sort of vision.